Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. Mamkhize has decided to respond on abuse allegations that were made by Sithelo Shozi. Sean Pisane, who is the mother to Andile Pisane, released an official statement on her Instagram page, and it reads as follows. I have been made aware of the allegations made against my family by Sithelo Shozi on her Instagram account, which have been since deleted. Given my history and strong stance against gender-based violence, I don't take these accusations lightly. I don't and will never condone violence in any form or nature. I would like to categorically state that neither myself nor my family have been witness at any alleged abuse against Sithelo, and further like to highlight that the allegations are false and defamatory. Given the nature, severity, and extent of these allegations, the matter has been referred to our attorneys. Everything in relation to this matter is of the utmost importance that we let the law take its course in this regard. Furthermore, false accusations do tremendous damage to victims of actual assaults. Please be advised that I will not be making any further statements with regards to this matter. Regards, Sean Mamkhize. Well, Sithelo didn't hesitate to drop some files to actually prove that Mamkhize knows something, allegedly. It was WhatsApp conversation between her and Mamkhize, allegedly. Mamkhize said, last few weeks off, I spoke to I think me, you and him need to talk. It's important this time both of you must take my advice and listen to me. I would also like for your mom to be part of this meeting. Maybe I need her this time. I can't do this alone. We have left this thing for so long. This thing, it's both affect us. Some the English right there. And I think I must also involve my brother, as you have said before, that maybe need a father figure to advise him, and my sister and his husband. You must tell me who else on your side would like to be involved in this meeting, as I don't want to look like I'm ignoring the problem and I'm not resolving it. Sithelo Shozi replied and said, honestly speaking, I'd appreciate that for everyone's sake, more especially his, not because he needs to be punished or confronted, but just enlightened and even going forth. My mom isn't as involved, which I don't like, and I'm the cause of. Mamkhize said, baby girl, I'm sorry you are feeling like that, but at this point in time, I'm unable to help you, and been in court yesterday and today can't deal with it. You and Andy are really stressing me now. I don't know what to do anymore. I have spoken to both of you as mother, but it seems like my advice are not being considered. I will talk to your mom once my critical court matter is done. If it's finalized by tomorrow, I am in court as we speak. She then replied and said, I fully understand, ma. Sorry about the court issue. I'm sure you must be under immense pressure at this moment. Do take care. I wonder who's telling the truth and lying. Share your thoughts on this one. What do you think about this whole situation, drama, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.